This is Wes, aka the Grillin Villian with Summerset Grills, and it's Food Friday. We're out here grilling today on a beautiful day in Orange County. The sun's shining, and we hope you get out there this weekend with your family or friends. Today we're preparing the famous Philadelphia cheesesteak sandwiches. These were invented in the 1930s in the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia. We're going to prepare them today with some nice ribeye steaks and a very nice cheese sauce. Okay, I'm going to fire up the American Muscle Grill, our preferred grilling apparatus. Brando, our social media guru, get up here with this camera and let's get some effects in here. I'm going to crank this thing up. I got 110,000 BTUs. Let's get her going. Boom. 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 Okay. We should be having a little smoke off that. I've got some lump coal, I've got 100-year-old red oak, and I got some apple chunks today. Kind of vary it up a little bit. Look at that. Is that cool? That's about 1 minute right there. Just keep it on. If you can go 3 minutes, I'll crank it down. We can show the folks exactly real time how effective and efficient the Muscle Grill is. I'll have a little jump in it now that I've turned the burners off, because now all the air goes to the fuel. And off it goes. Okay, we're going to season our ribeyes. We're going to keep it real simple. The basics of all seasoning around the world. We're going to do salt and pepper today. I'm going to go ahead and crush it up. This is salt. Get a little pepper going. Can't hurt. You're never going to overdo it with salt and pepper. It brings out the juices, brings out the flavor, especially on our chili cheesesteak. We're going to go ahead and throw these ribeyes on our hot fire. It's ready to go. It's optimum. I've got some nice flame and I got some white coals. Let's throw them on there. Okay, I'm going to throw my ribeyes up on the warming tray up here. Let them cruise a little bit while I prepare my my onions, my bell peppers. So we'll just set those up there and they'll be all right. Okay, we're not going to need another onion. I've got plenty here. I'm going to go ahead and cut my bell peppers at this time. I'm going to go ahead and slice them, and then we're just going to start slicing these and really pull the guts out of them a little bit, clean them up, get that down there. And we're going to cut these in really thin slices. Okay, I'm going to start to saute my onions. I'm going to go ahead and put a little olive oil in my John Wayne cast iron cooking skillet. Throw that in there like that. I'm going to go ahead and put these onions in, get them a head start. Oh, yeah. As part of one of the ingredients on our Philadelphia cheesesteak sandwiches with some portobello mushrooms. And it's nice to take the button out of the center and then go ahead and clean the gills out of the mushroom. I do this with a spoon gently. I throw it down in my waste pit here. Not good eating. We're going to clean those off just like that. I'm going to flip them over and we're going to cut these very thin. I'm going to break those coals down, and now I have a fresh half hour of cooking on solid solid red oak there. That's going to taste so good. Go ahead and set this down. I'm going to go ahead and put our pan over our fire. Our onions are sauteing. I'm going to make my cheese sauce now, and what we're going to do is we're going to put some flour in a nice saucepan here. I'm going to put it on the fire directly. I'm going to go ahead and grab some milk here, and I'm going to slowly whisk the ingredients till I get all the lumps out. Been letting this simmer on the side of the grill for a while, a couple of minutes. I'm going to bring it over here, and now I'm going to throw in my Parmesan Reggiano, my provolone, and my mustard powder. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Ooh, that looks good. She looks real good. Okay, I'm going to throw a little shot of flavor in our bell peppers and our onions. I have a little Worcestershire soy sauce combo here. Just throw it in there, give it a little pop. And I'm going to bring my meat down. And we're going to start cutting that for our Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. Look at that guy there. Ooh, baby. Get him. We'll get him. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to place our buns on the top rack. Go ahead and start getting them warm. Okay, we're going to cut our ribeyes in really thin pieces here. Really nice. Oh my. You want to keep the meat slices very thin. Let that saute, the meat juices mixing with the bell peppers. Okay, we are going to build our Philly cheesesteak sandwiches right now. I'm going to bring the hoagies off the grill. I've had them on the warming tray. We're going to set them here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put our ingredients on our hoagie buns right now. Oh, listen to that. It's still grilling right there. Got our meat, our onions, our bell peppers, with all our seasoning. We're going to go ahead and set that on there. Oh my, smells good. Okay, now we're going to top off our Philly cheese sandwiches with the famous cheese sauce here. We're going to dribble it on each one of these sandwiches. Just let it sit there. Just kind of gooey. Oh my. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh. My, that's good.